Hi, I'm Jen. I'm the veterinary assistant at Natural Pet Animal Hospital, although I've been a client here since 2006. This is my dog, Pali. I adopted her about 3 years ago. She was at a high-kill shelter. She was very sick, had Cushing's disease, hypothyroidism, and a mammary tumor that luckily ended up being benign. She was also 25 pounds overweight and was nearly hairless. So as you can see, she's come a long way. Last March, Polly started drinking and urinating a lot. She wouldn't eat, and she was very low on energy. I suspected she might have a urinary tract infection at that time, so I brought her to work, tested her, did some blood work. As it turns out, she did not have a urinary tract infection, but her calcium levels were dangerously high, and the calcium was damaging her kidneys. We ran every test we could to determine what was going on, but we eventually came to the conclusion that I needed to take her to a specialist. So we went to Purdue, to their small animal clinic. Very long story short, they diagnosed her with a nasal tumor as well as a possible thyroid tumor. They recommended surgery to remove the thyroid. They recommended radiation for the tumor. Her prognosis was 3 to 6 months without any treatment. It was 6 to 12 months with treatment. I knew immediately that treating her in that way was not right for either one of us. So I brought her back home and we decided to treat her with the treatments that I had available to me here at the clinic. I'd seen it effective in other clients, and so I was going to give it a try. Dr. Katz and I decided on ozone treatment as well as homeopathy and some supplements to address her kidneys. So after just one ozone treatment, Polly felt a lot better. Her appetite improved, the urination and the thirst decreased, and unexpectedly, her mobility improved from her arthritis as well. We ran frequent blood work on her, and each time the numbers improved. Amazingly, her calcium levels have been completely normal since starting the ozone and the homeopathy, and her kidney values are also now normal. She has 0 symptoms. It's been 11 months since her diagnosis, since the symptoms all started, and the treatments that we chose were minimally stressful for her. They made her feel better instead of making her feel sick, and they've allowed her to far exceed the prognosis that was given to her by Purdue. I'm obviously really happy with the choices that I made about her treatment, and I'm thrilled that it was so successful for her. We're really lucky to have Dr. Katz in our corner to help us with our treatment. So if your pet has received a poor prognosis, or if conventional medicine has failed for you or your pet, please know that there are options. Contact Natural Pet at 815-929-9393 to talk to our staff about how we can help your pet. For more information on the treatments we've used on Polly, please visit the Natural Pet Animal Hospital YouTube page for Dr. Katz's informative webinars, or you can click on the links that we have listed below.